I'm Zoe, and this is my baking show. Well, this is our guest, Erik Whitaker.
Hello.
I see a problem.
I'm pleased to be here in your cooking show, and I hear we're going to make a cake.
So, here is your apron that you have to wear.
Okay, how do I put it on?
You stick that through your head.
Like this. It's not long enough. I can't breathe now.
Okay, sit down. Okay, here we go. Does this look good?
Looks great.
Are you filming? Okay, so today we are cooking lemon zesty. Lemon zesty. Yum. Half a pound unsalted butter. Check.
Check.
2.5 cups granulated sugar.
Where should I pour?
I'll pour.
Okay, don't spill any.
I will spill any.
That's 1 cup. Okay.
Don't worry.
I'll do this to keep it flat. Okay, that's probably one. I guess that's
Okay.
good. I think.
We
Good
need a
enough.
bowl.
This is a good idea. I think you're too young to have this much.
Don't
That's
worry. 4 large eggs. 3 cups of flour. Now I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, baking magic powder.
Not baking
magic
soda?
Power. Baking magic power. No, baking.
But why is it magic?
I don't know. Okay, now we are gonna put half a teaspoon. This is it again. Baking soda into another little friendly bowl. Ready? Now you're gonna do this one.
I'll do this one.
It's gonna be like one of him and then one of me. You know?
There,
Okay,
done.
that was great. I'm gonna do 25 turns of salt into this thing. Or
That's
maybe-
1 teaspoon?
Do you want to do this?
I can do that.
You do that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No.
No. We need probably 50. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Is it going too salty? Don't put on.
Oops. Okay. So this is my zest buddy named Zest. And we're gonna zest this lemon named Zester. Right? You're gonna do this, do that across the lemon.
What's zest? What is zest?
Zest is like little flakes of the skin of this.
A lemon.
Yeah. The yellow part.
Just yellow
Just
part.
the yellow part.
Like this.
Yeah.
So until it goes white.
Yeah.
We can still juice this after we zest it, right? Safety first. I think you gotta be careful not to cut your knuckle off this device.
1 and then -3.
That means 1/3 of a cup.
So we're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Okay.
So you
No,
want
you cut that.
You cut it?
You
Okay.
cut it.
I'll
No,
cut the.
you cut it.
Okay, I'll cut it. Cut it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna squeeze this thing while he's cutting into
Okay.
this emerald-looking thing.
All 4 lemons? Let's see how much we get with 2 first. Maybe we can watch a Halloween movie tonight.
Sure.
We're supposed to have 3/4. Ready? Oh, how do we get the seeds out now?
This is an easy way to get out the seeds. Okay, now I'm gonna have 1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract. Kind of has a cool symbol on it. Whoa, there's vanilla beans in it. Put it in the birdie. Okay. Thank you. These are all the ingredients we need to make our
Zest.
cake.
Zest cake, yeah.
Yeah. Half a pound of unsalted butter. But this is 2 cups and then there's half a cup. I don't know why. There are 4 large eggs. 1/3 of a cup lemon zest. Right there. 3 cups of flour. Half a teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder. So guess which one's baking soda. Obviously.
I don't know.
Far or close?
The one more powdery is probably the baking powder, and the one that's I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. That one is baking soda. How you tell it's more crystally.
Oh, yeah.
But this one is more kind of like flour. 1 teaspoon kosher salt.
Okay.
That little guy. 3/4 cup fresh lemon juice, too. And then there is 2/3 cup of yogurt. But you can use buttermilk. That's what it said. But we are, instead of buttermilk, we are using yogurt.
It's 3/4 cup.
I said that.
You said 2/3.
I knew it. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the birdie. Okay, these are our ingredients. Now, what is the next step of baking the cake?
Follow your instructions, I would say, is next step. Probably mix them together.
No, you
Oh.
preheat the
Oven. We preheat the oven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, be right back.
Good.
I am gonna press that button, and then I'm gonna press this button, and then it goes to 350. It's at 350. Now we are gonna grease these pans. So with this pan, get it? Like grease with the pan. Okay. So, I've never used one of these, so it's gonna be exciting. Now, stinks. I'm gonna try to spray it all around. Okay, now we are gonna flour it. Eric, do you want to do this? I will turn it this time.
Okay, so I shake it on like this.
Yeah, just lightly, very lightly.
Lighter.
Try and get it evenly on everywhere.
Too much. Yeah. Like, shake it up.
We'll pour out the excess in the sink. Right? There. That looks pretty good.
That looks fairly good.
Move that a little bit. Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay. We are going to be mixing the sugar and the butter with this mixer into the big bowl until it's light and fluffy.
How long is that going to take?
Approximately 5 minutes. Maybe just like do this.
Okay. I'm just going to mix it all together and see what happens. I'm going to start with this.
I think you have to put all of it in.
Oh, cool. Okay. It's looking pretty light and fluffy to me. I'm going to stop. I think sugar and butter must be the basis of great cooking.
So I think he should put it on medium speed. And then I will crack in the egg one by one, all 4 of them. Now we're going to add the lemon zest.
Okay.
Okay, baking is like very, you have to get it right, you know? So, we're going to put the flour.
What do you mean by get it right?
Precise.
Precise, like, what do you mean?
The right order.
The right order. Okay.
So, I'm going to put in the flour.
What's this thing for?
It's for making it not lumpy.
Sifting.
The baking soda. The baking powder. And the salt. But when you put these guys in, it doesn't really matter what order for this. Now, Eric, you do it. Now in another bowl, we are going to mix the vanilla, the yogurt, and the 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Huh. I see.
you want to do the yogurt? This is like a very good looking batter. This is the flour mix and this is the liquids. So we are going to alternate by doing like flour, liquid, and putting it into this.
Meaning you're going to go like flour, then some liquid, then some flour, then some liquid, then some flour, then some liquid.
Yeah. You have to end with, guess which one? This one or this one?
The liquid.
No, the flour.
Oh.
So you have to make sure the last alternated thing is the flour. Now we have to put the batter in the pan. Okay. There we go. You put it in the oven for 45 minutes.
Just right in the middle oven rack?
At 350.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, ready? Oh, it's done. It's time to take it out of the oven.
It's very puffy.
You have to cool it for around 10 minutes. Mix the rest of the lemon and the sugar together and put it into a pot. We're going to have to heat it until it dissolves. Now I'm going to flip it over. Now what? Now he's going to try to pull her out. Get it? Like pull her out. No, you can try. Pour the glaze over top of the cake, just like Erik's doing. Right? Now. Yeah, a lot more here. We have 3.5 tablespoons right there of lemon juice. And here we have 2 cups of sugar, confectionate sugar. But if you don't have confectioner sugar, then it's actually really easy. You can make it by just putting regular sugar in the blender. As you can see, we just did that.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, so now we are gonna pour some of this at the start through the sifter.
Do we sift and whisk at the same time?
Always make mistakes. So now we are going to mix this beautiful substance together. So, after you do that, we are going to use this nice, lovely spatula to pour it over top of the cake.
And I gotta see. I gotta see this. I gotta see it. What's going on here? Let me see.
Can you see? Ta-da!
So exciting.
Here is our cake. And
Oh yeah.
here are my parents.
Oh yes, that's me. And
Oh,
Are having an anniversary.
Oh yes. This looks good. I'm impressed. Not bad. 2 thumbs up.
Thanks,
Thanks, sweetie.